Hi everyone. I was just thinking the other day when I went grocery shopping about how high some of these prices are getting, and I usually don't get mad about a lot of them. You just kind of roll with it, or they've only gone up a few pennies, so it's like, you just kind of take it. But there are some things that I've noticed that are really getting increasingly just much more expensive than they need to be, and it's kind of making me mad. For example, a jar of mayonnaise. It only takes a few ingredients and it's super easy and cheap to make. So yet these companies, they keep downsizing the products while increasing the prices. Most recently I was looking at another jar of mayonnaise, and it was between the same jar in different stores, ranges between $6 and $10 for this little tiny jar. And it's the, I'm sure you've seen the, I won't say the brand name, but it's the avocado mayonnaise. It's made from avocado oil. So I don't want to pay those prices anymore. I'm kind of getting tired of it. So I've decided, you know what, I've already looked at this recipe years ago. I thought I'd make my own, but what scared me away from doing it is that it uses raw egg. And so I started researching a little bit more and reading up on how I can pasteurize my own eggs, or I can just purchase pasteurized eggs. That way it won't be so frightening and you don't have to worry about getting things like salmonella. So I went ahead and I did pasteurize this egg that we're going to use, and it is one whole egg. And I'll probably show you another video on how to pasteurize your own eggs. And then I'm going to take 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. We have a 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt and 1 tablespoon of distilled vinegar. Now there were lots of different recipes that I saw, and they use different kinds of vinegar, so I guess that would be up to you on what you would choose. The last ingredient is going to be 1 cup of oil, and like I said, I'm choosing avocado oil. You can choose olive oil or whatever kind of oil you want. We usually use the avocado oil for health reasons. So then I'm just going to take this immersion blender and we are going to blend this. Okay, so that's all blended, and I did try this earlier today. So I do know that it tastes really good, and I think it's definitely a winner. So I have every intentions of continuing to make my own, so I don't have to pay those prices. Thank you very much. I'm glad you watched the video, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.